Now let's go back to our templates area, and here you can see category archive. We have added that, and the index archive. It's not an archive, it's index page. So if you remember, I have shared with you the template hierarchy. Index page basically refers to a front page, but as of now it's really not necessary to redesign this index page. But in case if you want, you can do it, but it's not necessary as of now. It's a fallback template for all the pages when specific template is not defined. It's clearly mentioned here, and you can always read these descriptions to understand how it works and what is the reason behind these templates and where it will be displaying all the information. Now we have created page no title. So this is very important. We use this template on our home page, and the page no title is where you do not want to display the page title or page header inside your website. And at that moment, we're gonna use this template. And before the bottom area, I would like to add CTA. So you can follow the same. It's completely depends on your client requirements basically. And if I go to other templates here, there is I haven't used CTA so much on other templates, but if you want, you can use that part. Now click on page no title again. So there is nothing to learn about page no title here, and let's move into our next part.